Hey YouTube, we're back with another unboxing. This time, it's a shoe from way back in the archives, way back in the day from 2012. So we're looking at about 7 years ago. It is the Dunk Low Pushead 2. Let's go and have a look. Boom. Hey there, it's Mr. B back with you as always on this channel. We have got an extra special shoe here. It's from a long time ago. It's from 2012. It is though, it's the Dunk Low Pro Pushead 2. Can't find the original Pushead from I think 2005. Shall we go and have a look? We're going to unbox about now. So we're back, we've got a gold box here. Got a gold box, SJ, we've got a few of these upstairs, haven't we? We certainly have. So, I don't know why I didn't pick this up back in 2012. Ridiculous. I suspect the skate store that we buy stuff in just didn't get them in because these were super popular. We've got, on the front here, camera 2 there, we've got the Nike SB Pushead Premium. It actually says Pushead on here. These are a UK 10.5 SJ. That makes them a US 11.5. And the colorway is Black-Filbert. Black-Filbert, obviously noisette is French. It is French. We can also tell you that these were actually bought in the US. I know that because they got this little flap here. And originally they retailed at $125 way back in 2012. The code, if you're interested, everyone, is 536356002. Look at that gold box. We don't see these very often anymore. Apparently these were delivered from the future. Not really, they were delivered from the past because it's now 2019 and anyway. Oh wow, now I wasn't expecting this. They've given us the original Pushead 2 bag. So I bought these, everyone. I bought these on StockX. I had a low bid in. I was like, I kind of want them. They've given us the original bag they came in. That's cool. That's very cool. I am super happy about that. Oh my word. So they would have come in this bag. Oh, hello dog. Do you, like, it matches you, doesn't it? It's sort of this brown. And so we've got on here, so this would have been around the original gold box. Got so Nike SB with, and it's kind of like, it's paper, I think, but it's stitched and it's made to look like sort of bleached denim. You can see that? So we've got Nike, we've got all the details here. Around the actual top bit of the box, it says Pushead here. On the inside, just so you can see, it's sealable. I don't know what the phrase is, everyone. It's sealable. We've also got just some normal Nike waffle on the inside. I really wasn't expecting that. It's 7 years since these were released. Someone kept this mint. So we're going to put that to one side because that's going back in that box. Put the StockX nonsense, Pushead 2, blah, blah, blah. Woodcut paper. Let's get the first shoe out. Oh, wow. Why didn't we get these, SJ? So the first thing I'm going to say, before we go and dive in, as much as like I'm very excited about that, and we've got more StockX paperwork, blah, blah. Let's put the box aside. The alternate laces, kind of a black. Did you say that was black? I'm going to hold it up in the light. Don't care about the alternate laces, everyone, because the laces on the originals are mental. Oh my word, these really are. These have not been worn at all. The first thing I can tell, right, we're going to look at the soles first. Kind of a gum-ish sole. The stars, so the stars that come on any Dunk around the top here, they haven't been worn away. They definitely haven't been worn away. You can see all of that there, SJ. Now these look like a dark shoe to everyone. It's got this Pushead kind of bleached effect. And what's really interesting with these is the bleachedness. If we have a look, like look at the lace. Can you see the lace details, SJ? I'm focusing mainly on SJ's camera because she can come in close. And there's like, because these are so dark, you need to have this camera looking to get the detail. These laces are amazing, absolutely amazing. It's got kind of, I don't know what that material is, feels, I don't know, what would you say that was, SJ?
Is that over suede or felt?
It feels like felt-esque. It's in between felt and suede. Felt and suede.
I'm sure it's just not a rough suede.
It doesn't feel like a rough suede, it's soft. It's really soft, like the swoosh. If you come in on the swoosh.
It's almost like a towel.
Yeah, it is. It's like that, isn't it?
Terry towel.
Kind of. So that follows all around. It's a 2012 Dunk, SJ. What am I going to ask you right now? What do you have a problem with?
The ears.
Are you ready? Are you ready to look at this? So SJ, as we all know, has got a problem with the stitching of E's on Nike, on the Dunks, on the heel. So we're going to have a look. Is that up to your standard? It's off, isn't it? It is. You've got a real thing for it. We just want to call out that this material is, I don't know what you'd call that. It's like, it's weatherized. And then we've got the Pushead skeleton type logo here, creature thing. We got that. Now the other interesting thing about these is the inner soles. I don't really want to pull them out. I do want to at least attempt to show you, SJ. Can you see them? Kind of mental. Now, I'm just going to check on the other shoe. Obviously, we've got that StockX tag there, allegedly authenticity. If these are fakes, they're very good fake. I don't care, I really like them. I don't care if these are fake. I really like these. I'm gonna be really frightened to wear them. These are so nice. Like camera 2, just have a look at that. And if we have a look at them as well, we've got to look at them next to each other because, oh, you're not gonna get that on that camera. The toe box is different on each one, and it is a fabric type, it's a tough fabric toe box. SJ, can you see that? All right, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. You see how it's different? And like, so if you go on the swoosh on this side, get rid of that silly StockX tag. See there? Now we're going to take the bleaching onto this way around. It's different, and it's different on the inside as well. These shoes, everyone, these shoes are crazy. Why did I not get these? I can see why these sold out at the time. These are mental. Oh, just have a look. Have a look, everyone. That's such a nice dunk. Such a nice dunk. I'm really enjoying like hunting out and researching and looking at older dunks. Now I know it's only 7 years old and the dunk is sort of what, 16, 18 years old as an SB. It's even older than that as a shoe. Oh, it's such a nice shoe. You know what, everyone? Leave us a comment below because I'm really worried. I don't think I'm gonna do a cinematic on foot for these because I don't want to wear them. I do want to wear them, but I don't want to wear them. Do you think I should wear them? It's a worry. It is a worry. While we've shown you those shoes, don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here. It's somewhere down there. And as I always say to my regulars, if you haven't hit the notification bell, just give that a good old ping. Yeah, because it does actually work. And don't forget to join us. Don't forget to join us. Don't forget to join us on Sneaker Streaming Sundays. That is every Sunday about 8 PM UK time, roughly 12 PM on the Pacific Coast. And of course, it's going to be around 3 PM on the East Coast. So if you're in New York, Boston, or wherever, don't forget to join us. It's every Sunday where we talk about sneakers and stuff that we see in the news. We're on Instagram, Pint of Stuff. Don't forget to use the hashtag Pint of Stuff because we'll actually feature whatever you're wearing on the stream each week. And all that leaves me to say is, I'll see you later. I'll see you later there, SJ, on Sneaker Cam. Is it time to feed the dog now? I think it might be. Dog, is it time to feed you? Yeah? What were you doing in 2012? I wasn't around. What? What? Who said that? Anyway, I'll see you later, everyone. I really will see you now. I'm going to feed the dog who's just down there. Yay! All right, mate. Yeah, how you doing?